Hello my friends and welcome back. So for today's video we are showing you guys car phone mount, 360 adjustment, instant phone access, and allows for safer driving. So we're just going to go ahead and show you guys what you get inside the box. Alright, right inside the box you got a nice manual here. Goes over details. You have a quick how-to guide. You got dry and wet wipe. You got the platform that's going to be sticking down. We'll go over that then. And everything else needed. So this is for a vent. If you wanted to put it in a vent, you would go and slide this in your vent. So this would get slide in your vent, and then you would close it like that. And then your phone would be mounted on here with the bracket that's inside here. But that's for a vent mount. So this is it. Press on the back here, depending on your width of your phone, and then you can put your phone in and then tighten it. This gets pulled down. If you need it longer, go ahead and show you guys how that looks. So for this, press the button on the back, put your phone in here, and if you want it to be down further, then you just pull this out, go ahead and press that tightly against, and now you got your cell phone holder. So for the vent, what you do is you thread this off, just like this. Thread that off. Stick this end right through it, like this. Pop it in place, and then you re-thread this back on. Make sure you align it right. It should go easy on if you aligned it right. And then this goes in your vent of your vehicle. So just go in like that, you clamp it, and it would be in your vent. So let's go ahead and show you how the other suction cup feature works. So you take this off just like before, pop that out. You can go ahead and, let's see, set that to the side, just set that right here. All right, so now for this is fully adjustable, so you can adjust it outward by pressing this, and then you can lock it in place by pressing up. Then it won't go anywhere. This can be tightened so this doesn't move, or loosen. If you loosen it, you can rotate it all around. This is how it's going to go on your vehicle. It's going to set on like this on your dashboard, but you're going to have let's see, you're going to have this on like this. So this part is going to go in your dashboard, but make sure you clean off your dashboard from any debris. And this, you peel this off. This sticky tape gets peeled off. You lay this down flat like this. You peel this off like this, and you line it up like this. You would press firmly down on your dashboard, and once you're set up, once it's on there solid, you're good to go. And if you ever need to take it off, you just pull up this flap and it will pull right off. But try and put it on a place that you don't have to pull it off again. And then what you do on the back here, there's this little lever type thing. Once everything's on the dash and you're holding it down solid, press and hold that down, and now you're good to go. And now you can adjust this however you want, and you can also adjust this, pulling that out however you want as well. So that's how it works. Make sure if you guys have any more questions, check out the listing and the manual. Oh, and of course, the bracket works the same way for this. So you would go ahead and have this on like this. So you'd take this little piece, put it on like this, pop this into place, and then you twist this on the back here. Make that tight. When you're done, when you got it lined up how you want to make it tight, and that's how it would go. And then your phone would be on here, just like that. It's very simple.